How to buy Biswap crypto on Binance. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Biswap crypto on Binance in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Binance app. As you can see, this is the home page. Now if you want to buy any crypto here, let's just search for the Biswap. As you can see, this is the Biswap. But if you want to buy it, you have to click here on this yellow option right here. Click on it like this and then choose buy here. And now you need to search for the Biswap coin here. If you didn't find it, just you can write it here. Okay, I forget. Okay, BSWY, and here is it. Now you need to buy the ESDT, and then you will be able to, as you can see, now you can choose the amount of money that you want to spend on this crypto. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.